In this video, I'll show you how to update your NVIDIA graphics driver to version 610.74. First, open the NVIDIA driver download page. The link is in the video description. Select your graphics card, choose your Windows version, and click Find. Open the GeForce Game Ready Driver 610.74 page, click View, and then click Download. Once the download is complete, run the installer and click Yes if prompted. Click OK, then Agree and Continue. Choose Custom Installation, click Next, and check Perform a clean installation. Click Next again and wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, restart your computer. That's it. Your NVIDIA graphics driver is now updated to version 610.74. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more gaming and PC troubleshooting videos.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.